Yeah.
What the hell?
But yeah, oh
Jeez,
my god,
man.
I have a friend that like, I go out to eat with them sometimes, and then like, I think one day we got a steak, or I got a steak, and I was like, yeah, can I get a medium rare? Yeah, sure. I get my steak, and I'm like, dude, this is so fucking good. I love medium rare steak. And my friend's like, dude, that thing's moving on the plate. I'm like, dude,
Fucking
you're a
Christ.
fucking
Dude.
Medium rare is moving on the plate. Wait till
Nah,
they hear
dude.
about blue steaks.
Dude, blue
Yeah,
man.
steaks,
steak
dude.
next
Jeez.
level,
Blue
baby.
steaks.
Jesus.
Oh my
You might as well take a bite
God.
of like fucking cow.
Bro,
Right?
just
It's
take
not,
a
it's not
chunk
the
out of
same,
it.
bro. Just throw that shit real quick. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up.
Dude, it's not
Oh
the
my
same. If you're
God.
not the one hunting the cow and just ripping its throat out with your
Yeah.
mouth, like
If you're not the
oh.
one raising
Dude, that
the
shit
cow,
hits different.
if you're not like blending in with the cows, like eating grass with them on the field.
Oh yeah. No, you
Yeah,
have to be,
you have to raise.
You
You gotta
gotta
live
immerse
with
yourself.
them.
you have to be the fucking
have to
cow.
live
If,
out
if you
Yeah,
want the
dude.
cow, you must be the cow.
Exactly. To
That's
truly
so
appreciate the delicacy of
That's
of
so
beef,
fucked, dude.
you have to
Dude,
become beef.
I don't know what I can see some fucking like pretentious dude just being like, yeah, dude, our cows.
There's a guy
we
who's
raise
pretending to
them
be a
like our
goat,
kids,
dude.
Bro.
Yeah, but I mean that's just Wagyu.
No, no,
That's
like,
just Wagyu.
okay,
Yeah.
like Wagyu, like yeah, they raise them, they fucking name them,
They
they
name
get
them.
certificates and
Yeah,
shit.
they
for the cow.
have birth certificates and they track their age and everything.
Yeah,
Like,
they
you
track
buy
what they
Wagyu
eat.
and it's like, yo, you're buying little Timmy. He was
Here's
born
a- here's a
August
certificate, dude.
August 3rd, 1992. You know,
Yeah.
But
right
there's
now is the perfect time to murk him. Like if you want,
if
you
you
want him
want-
now. He's
If you want them
you
now,
can
the
buy him for
modeling.
$25,000.
He
But
won't
the-
see it coming. He won't see it
but
coming.
there's like a special way of raising Wagyu, isn't there?
Yeah, you have to open field, let them graze, really
Yeah.
nice grass. We're talking like
oh yeah,
primo
they
grass.
need that fucking like
Yeah.
muy bien, you know.
Yeah, we're not
They-
talking about your lawn crap here.
To make A5 Wagyu, they need to eat A5 Wagyu basically.
Yeah, you're
terms
treating
of
them like
grass.
kings. Like
Yeah.
they're probably drinking, like we drink like fucking Dasani water and shit, right? These guys are probably drinking like the high
Like
quality
Fiji
spring
water?
water kind of
Oh yeah.
shit. Like they probably drink better water than the guys in New York.